What if the secret to saving your dying plants isn't in an expensive fertilizer, but in something you pour down the drain every single day? Most gardeners never realize that one simple liquid from their own kitchen can quietly revive weak plants, restore tired soil, and bring struggling gardens back to life. It costs nothing. It takes only seconds to use. And yet, when used the right way, it can completely change how your plants grow. Today, we're going to uncover 3 powerful lessons behind the $0 liquid that can help revive your plants and transform your soil naturally. Once you understand how this simple trick works, you may never look at your kitchen water the same way again. 1. The hidden power in everyday kitchen water. Most people pour it down the drain without even thinking about it. Every day, kitchens produce small amounts of water that seem completely useless once cooking is finished. It may look cloudy, slightly starchy, or simply like leftover rinse water. Because it doesn't appear valuable, it is usually discarded within seconds. But what many gardeners don't realize is that some of this everyday kitchen water quietly contains nutrients that plants and soil organisms truly benefit from. When vegetables are washed, when rice is soaked, or when potatoes are boiled, small amounts of natural compounds dissolve into the water. These compounds include trace minerals, plant starches, and tiny organic particles that come directly from the food itself. Individually, these elements may seem insignificant, but together they create a gentle nutrient solution that can support the living ecosystem inside healthy soil. Soil is not just dirt. Beneath the surface exists a complex network of microorganisms that work constantly to support plant life. Bacteria, fungi, and other microscopic organisms break down organic matter and release nutrients that plant roots can absorb. However, these soil microbes require food to remain active. When soil becomes depleted or lifeless, plant growth often slows down, leaves begin to fade in color, and the entire plant may appear weak or stressed. This is where simple kitchen water can make a surprising difference. The natural starches and organic compounds found in water from rinsing vegetables or soaking grains act as a mild energy source for these beneficial microbes. Once they receive this small boost of nutrition, microbial activity in the soil begins to increase. As the microbes wake up and multiply, they start breaking down nutrients already present in the soil much more efficiently. As a result, the plant roots gain access to more available nutrients without any chemical fertilizers being added. Instead of struggling in poor soil conditions, the plant begins to receive a steady flow of naturally released nutrients. Over time, gardeners often observe subtle but encouraging changes. Leaves that once looked pale may slowly become deeper green again. Growth that had stalled may begin moving forward. New shoots and stronger stems may start appearing as the plant regains its vitality. What makes this method particularly fascinating is how simple it is. No expensive products are required, and no complicated techniques are involved. It is simply a matter of recognizing that everyday kitchen activities already produce resources that can support the garden. By reusing water that would otherwise be wasted, gardeners can gently feed the soil ecosystem and help struggling plants recover naturally. Sometimes the most effective solutions in gardening are not hidden in stores or complicated formulas. They are quietly present in the small routines of daily life, waiting for someone to notice their potential. 2. Why soil microbes are the real secret. When people think about plant growth, they usually think about sunlight, water, or fertilizer. These things are certainly important, but they are not the entire story. Beneath the surface of every healthy garden lies a hidden world that most people never see. This world is made up of billions of microscopic organisms known as soil microbes, and they are quietly responsible for much of the growth and vitality that plants experience. Soil microbes include beneficial bacteria, fungi, and many other tiny life forms that live around plant roots. Even though they are invisible to the naked eye, their impact on plant health is enormous. These microorganisms work constantly to break down organic materials in the soil, such as fallen leaves, compost, and natural debris. As they break down this material, they release nutrients in forms that plant roots can easily absorb. Without these microbes, soil would slowly become lifeless and unproductive. Nutrients would remain locked inside organic matter, and plants would struggle to access the food they need. This is one of the reasons why soil that appears rich on the surface may still fail to support strong plant growth if the microbial life inside it has been weakened or destroyed. Healthy soil behaves almost like a living system. The microbes create a balanced environment where nutrients are constantly being recycled and redistributed. Some bacteria specialize in converting nitrogen into forms that plants can use. Certain fungi extend long thread-like structures through the soil, helping plants absorb water and minerals from areas their roots cannot reach. In many ways, these organisms act like an underground support network that quietly assists plants every moment of the day. However, this delicate ecosystem can easily become disturbed. Excessive chemical fertilizers, poor soil conditions, or long periods without organic matter can reduce microbial populations. When this happens, plants may begin to show signs of stress. Growth slows down, leaves lose their vibrant color, and the soil itself may appear dry and lifeless. This is why natural liquids made from simple kitchen sources can be surprisingly powerful. These liquids often contain small amounts of starches, sugars, and organic particles that act as food for beneficial microbes. When these compounds enter the soil, they help stimulate microbial activity. The microorganisms begin multiplying again and resume their work of breaking down nutrients and supporting plant roots. As microbial life becomes active, the entire soil environment begins to improve. Nutrients that were once locked away become available again. Soil structure becomes softer and better at holding moisture. Roots are able to expand more easily and absorb the resources they need to grow stronger. Gardeners who understand this hidden relationship often realize something important. Plant health is not just about feeding the plant directly. It is about feeding the soil ecosystem that supports the plant. When the microbial community in the soil is strong and balanced, plants often grow more vigorously with far less intervention. In many ways, the true secret behind thriving gardens is not found in bottles of fertilizer or complex chemical formulas. It lies in the living soil beneath our feet, where billions of tiny organisms work together to create the perfect environment for plants to flourish. 2-3. The right way to use the $0 liquid. Understanding that this simple liquid can help plants is important, but knowing how to use it correctly is what truly makes the difference. Many natural gardening methods fail not because the idea is wrong, but because people apply them in the wrong way or in excessive amounts. When used properly, this $0 liquid can gently support soil life and help struggling plants recover. But like any natural solution, balance and timing are key. The first thing to remember is that the liquid should always be clean and natural. Water that comes from rinsing vegetables, soaking rice, or boiling potatoes can contain small amounts of plant nutrients and starches that benefit soil microbes. However, the water should never contain salt, heavy oil, or strong seasonings. Salt, in particular, can harm soil organisms and damage plant roots over time. This means that if the water was used for cooking with salt or sauces, It should not be used in the garden. The second important principle is where to apply the liquid. Instead of pouring it directly onto the leaves, the liquid should be applied to the soil around the base of the plant. This is because the real purpose of the liquid is to support the microbial life living near the roots. When it reaches the soil, the organic compounds feed beneficial microorganisms, which then begin breaking down nutrients and improving soil fertility. By focusing on the root zone, you allow the plant to benefit from the entire soil ecosystem rather than just receiving a temporary surface treatment. Another key factor is moderation. Natural liquids can be helpful, but too much of anything can disturb the balance of the soil. Applying small amounts once or twice per week is usually enough to stimulate microbial activity without overwhelming the soil environment. Think of it as gently feeding the soil rather than flooding it. Over time, these small applications help maintain a steady supply of organic material that microbes can use as energy. Gardeners who consistently follow this simple approach often begin to notice gradual improvements in their plants. The soil may become softer and darker as organic activity increases. Roots begin spreading deeper into the ground, searching for nutrients that are now more available. Leaves regain their healthy color, and plants that once appeared weak may slowly regain their strength. Another benefit of this method is that it encourages a more sustainable style of gardening. Instead of relying heavily on commercial fertilizers, gardeners begin to see how everyday resources can support plant health naturally. The kitchen, which many people see only as a place for cooking, quietly becomes a source of nourishment for the garden as well. What makes this technique truly powerful is its simplicity. There are no complicated formulas to measure, and no expensive products to purchase. It is simply about understanding the relationship between soil life and plant health, and using the small resources already available in your home to support that relationship. Sometimes the most effective gardening practices are not the newest or most expensive ones. They are the simple, overlooked habits that reconnect us with how nature already works. By using this $0 liquid in the right way, gardeners can strengthen their soil, support beneficial microbes, and give their plants the environment they need to grow stronger and healthier over time. Sometimes the most powerful gardening secrets are not hidden in expensive products or complicated techniques. They are found in the simple things we overlook every day. The water that many people casually pour down the drain can quietly become a small source of life for your soil and plants. When we begin to understand how soil microbes, natural nutrients, and simple habits work together, gardening becomes less about buying solutions and more about working with nature itself. By using this $0 liquid wisely, you are not just helping your plants grow. You are rebuilding the living ecosystem beneath the soil, creating a healthier environment where roots can thrive and plants can regain their strength naturally. Over time, these small choices can transform an ordinary garden into a stronger, more productive one. Nature already provides many of the answers we search for. Sometimes all it takes is slowing down, observing carefully, and learning to use what is already around us. If you found this idea helpful, try it in your own garden and watch how your plants respond in the coming days. And remember, the most beautiful gardens are often grown not with the most expensive tools, but with the simplest and most thoughtful practices.